In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down and click on Dual Messenger. Now tap on one of those switchers next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Lastly, hit Install in the pop-up and wait. If you want to, you can also click on this switcher next to your separate contact list to activate it. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on Now Blue switcher. Then hit Uninstall in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!